Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, identify the instrument. What is this instrument? What do you see here? Here there is a double lever mechanism. There is lever here and there is lever here. And there are interlocks here. So what do you see? Number one, here there is stout handle. This is the handle. So here there is stout handle is present. And here you will have two levers are present. These two are levers. So there is double lever mechanism. Double lever mechanism is present here, and here at the tip you will have this blade, and the next picture, this picture is the blade, and here you will see presence of deep serrations. There are deep serrations are present in the blade. Okay, so what is this? This is a name called as Payer's crushing clamp. This is Payer's crushing clamp. Okay, so what is the use of this Payer's crushing clamp? It is used in dissection and anastomosis of bowel. It is used in dissection and anastomosis of bowel, and it is also used during gastrectomy. It is also used during gastrectomy. So this is about Payer's crushing clamp. Thank you.
Thank you and thank you for watching.